Hello and welcome to our channel, where today we're diving into the world of lifelike plush toys with the Melissa and Doug Giant Cheetah, a stunning stuffed animal that stands nearly 3 feet tall. This remarkable plush toy features exquisite markings and realistic details that bring the majestic cheetah to life, making it a striking playtime companion or a captivating decorating accent for any room. The attention to detail is truly magnificent, especially in the realistic markings on the face, which add to its lifelike appearance. Designed for hands-on, screen-free play, this giant cheetah is an ideal gift for children aged 3 and up, sparking their imagination and creativity. With dimensions of 33 inches in height, 18 inches in length, and 10 inches in width, it's the perfect size for cuddling or displaying as a statement piece. Whether you're looking to enhance playtime or add a unique touch to your decor, the Melissa and Doug Giant Cheetah is sure to impress with its lifelike charm and quality craftsmanship. Don't miss out on the chance to bring this extraordinary plush toy into your home and let your child's imagination run wild. Thank you for watching, and if you're interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below.